Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. Lincoln's supporters described him as the inverted comma real candidate inverted comma full stop. He was named so because of his humble background full stop. Before Lincoln pursued law and politics, comma, he used to do several odd jobs to earn money, and one of them was the job of a rail splitter full stop. He was a candidate for the inverted comma common man inverted comma full stop. Paragraph change. Lincoln was steadily strengthening his position in politics full stop. He entered the presidential nomination process as a distinct underdog and was eventually chosen as the Republican candidate for the 1860 election full stop. Finally, comma, on 6th November, comma, 1860, comma, Lincoln was elected the 16th President of the United States full stop. Paragraph change. Lincoln's major contribution as president was that he helped preserve the United States integrity and sovereignty, comma, by leading the defeat of the secessionist confederacy in the American Civil War full stop. He borrowed and studied Henry Hallock's book, comma, Elements of Military Art and Sciences, comma, to be aware of technical military terminologies full stop. Moreover, comma, he introduced measures that resulted in the abolition of slavery, full stop, paragraph change. He issued his Emancipation Proclamation in 1863 and promoted the passage of the 13th Amendment to the Constitution in 1865, full stop. This eventually led to negotiation of slavery in the United States, full stop. However, anti-war leaders criticized him for refusing to compromise on slavery, full stop. On the other hand, radical Republicans, criticized him for moving too slowly in abolishing slavery, full stop, paragraph change. Lincoln was a very strong orator, full stop. He rallied public opinion through the powerful rhetoric of his messages and speeches, full stop. His Gettysburg Address is remembered as a prime example, full stop. At the close of the Civil War, Lincoln took a moderate view of Reconstruction, seeking to speedily reunite the nation through a policy of generous reconciliation, full stop, paragraph change. Reconstruction began during the war as Lincoln and his associates pondered the questions of how to reintegrate the southern states back into the Union and what to do with Confederate leaders and the freed slaves, full stop, paragraph change, other than this, comma, his achievements also included his brilliant handling of the factions of the Republican Party by bringing the leaders into his cabinet and forcing them to cooperate, full stop, in crisis management, comma, he diffused a war scare with the United Kingdom, bracket 1861, bracket, full stop. He also managed his own landslide re-election in 1864, full stop, paragraph change. All was going well till this time, full stop. Lincoln was popular with people and had just been re-elected as the president, full stop, but a sudden turn of the wheel of fortune led to his assassination, full stop. Lincoln left to attend the play, inverted comma, our American cousin, inverted comma, at Ford's Theatre on 14th April 1865, comma, Good Friday, full stop. His assassin, comma, John Wilkes Booth, comma, a well-known stage actor, fired at him and Lincoln embraced death. Soon after, full stop, paragraph change, a truly rags to riches tale, comma, Lincoln's assassination in 1865 was the first in US history, comma, though an unsuccessful attempt had been made 30 years earlier on Andrew Jackson, full stop, Booth's co-conspirators wanted to eliminate the top 3 people in the administration so that the government crumbles, full stop. The funeral and burial ceremony was a period of nationwide grief and mourning, full stop. A great visionary, comma, a champion of the rights of the downtrodden, comma, he showed the world the road to an enlightened future, full stop, stop.